Hello everyone. There's a good news for each and every one of you who are preparing for ISS 2026. That admit card has been out right now, and recently the UPSC has given the notification that the admit card you can download the admit cards from the UPSC portal. You can log in there and download it from there. So here we can see that from the UPSC portal, we have got this PDF in which they have given us the Indian Economic and Statistical Services 2026 press note. And clicking on this, we get this press note. Clicking on this, we get this press note like this. Here, UPSC has clearly shown us the website from which we can get the press note. We can click directly on the website and log in from there and download our e-admit cards from there. So it has been good news because 1 week prior to our examination, UPSC has given us the admit card so that we can see the centers where we have to we have to give the exam, and then we can focus on our examination, not worrying about where the centers would be or not worrying about how to reach there, because we can pre-plan our things from today only. And you all can download the admit card. It is downloadable, but for some people it might take longer than now to download. It can take 1 or 2 hours, so you can easily download it. If any of you are facing any doubts even after this, then you can ask us in the comment section and we'll be helping you in downloading your admit card. Now, I would like the UPSC officials, I would request the UPSC officials to give students 5 to 10 minutes of gap even after starting the paper, because people from all over India or students who are actually preparing or genuinely preparing from 1 year or more than 1 year as well are coming to give the examination, and UPSC official do not allow them entry, and they waste their 1 or 2 years. So if whether they are stuck in traffic or anywhere else, or got late by any of the circumstances, I would request the officials to let these students get entry so that they can at least attempt the examination instead of just removing them away from not attempting the examination. That would be my request to all the UPSC officials. And about the admit cards, now you can see your centers and you can research from where and how you will manage to give the examination, and you can prepare for 1 whole week calmly for your examination. And I would wish all the students all the very best for your examination. This is the last time you are preparing for it, last week, so keep on preparing for it with all that you have, and you will be able to clear it this time with genuinity and with your passion. All the best and thank you so much.
Welcome to StatUp Academy, India's exclusive coaching for ISS, where statistics meets excellence. StatUp Academy,